Hi, Rick Lineker here. In this presentation, I will show you how to create a very simple program in Visual C++ 2010 Express. Okay, we're going to start by going to File, New, Project. Be real careful here. If you don't create the right project type, you will not be able to follow along. So start off by selecting Win32 over here and making sure it says Win32 Console App. And down here in the name, let's type My First Application. Okay, and there are several options that you get here, but we're going to skip them all and just click on the Finish button. And you will see your source code appear in the main window. The command we're going to use is printf. So printf. Make sure C++ is case sensitive. So if you miscap it or you misspell it, it won't work. We always have an open parenthesis, a closed parenthesis, and a semicolon. Those are requirements. And in the open and closed parenthesis, there's an open and closed quote. Now the stuff inside of the open and closed quote will get displayed on these screens. So here we go. Hello world, the most famous C++ program ever. Okay, now I'm going to compile it. And to compile, you use left shift, left control B. And you'll notice at the bottom, it shows you what it's doing. And if you get any errors, you will see them there. For instance, if I leave off this semicolon and I try to compile it, I will get an error that says, and I'll scroll over to the right, missing semicolon. Okay? So the errors will appear down there and help you fix what you're doing. To run this is Control F5. Now if you press F5, that's how you debug, and it's something different, but for right now, press Control F5, and it will say, Hello World, press any key to continue. Okay, it's actually fairly ugly because it runs together. Visual Studio does that, press any key to continue. What we want to do here is put a special escape code, \n, which means put a new line after my Hello World, and let me compile it, and I'm going to run it again, and you'll see I've got an extra line there. Actually, I can put as many lines here as I want. There's 3. Now when I run it, you'll see the difference. Okay. So let me get rid of those extra ones I put in there as demonstrations. Put another couple printfs here. This is really cool. Cat in the hat is back. So we can have as many printfs as we want. Compile it, run it, there you go. Okay, so let's go through this one more time. Let's create a new project, File, New, Project. Make sure we have Win32 and Win32 Console App, my second application. Hit OK. Take all the defaults here and click on Finish. Here we're going to talk about the weather. It is cold outside. There is snow on the ground. And finally, it is just getting dark now. Okay, done, compile, run, there you go. Now there's one error I want to point out to you. If you are missing or you've messed up somehow that second quote mark there, the error you'll get should be new line and constant down here. Okay, so if you see that arrow that says new line and constant, it's probably something to do with your quote marks. Okay. Compile that again. Run it. There you go. Perfect. Okay, that's it for now. Creating a simple program with Visual C++ 2010 Express.